Do you love Korean skincare but hate the prices? Let me show you some budget-friendly, deep hydrating, lightweight, and non-sticky Korean skincare products. The Face Shop Rice Water Cleansing Foam removes dead skin cells, helps calm and refine pores, brightens and cleans without stripping. Best for oily skin. Avoid if very dry skin. Tier Milk Skin Toner. Instant glow, soothing effect, skin barrier care. Best for sensitive skin. Avoid if broken skin barrier. Centella Tone Brightening Ampule. Rich in antioxidants, improves texture and skin tone, boosts hydration and barrier repair. Best for dehydrated skin. Avoid if very oily skin. The Face Shop Anti-Aging Moisturizer. Anti-aging and firming, wrinkle and fine line care, smoother, more radiant skin. Best for sagging skin. Avoid if breakout-prone skin. Beauty of Joseon Relief Sun Aqua Fresh. Hydrating and calming UV defense. Fast absorbing lotion texture, no white cast. Best for all skin types. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, share, and subscribe for more skincare content.